ततो युद्धपरिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तया स्थितं रावणं चाग्रतो दृष्ट्वा युद्धाय समुपस्थितं. Tataha becomes tato because of sandhi. Yuddha, there are two dhas there. The first one is the and the second one is dha. So yuddha, second dha is mahapranaha. Parishrantam, yuddha parishrantam is a compound word. Samare chintaya sthitam, thi is mahapranaha. Ravanam cha. Now Ravanam ends in Anuswara and it is followed by Cha. So the Anuswara changes to Nya, which is the nasal or the Anunasika of the Cha Varga. So Ravanancha, Cha Agrataha, Chagrataha because of Sandhi. It becomes Chagrato because of Sandhi. Drishtva Yuddhaya, the second Dha is Mahapranaha. Samupasthitam, thi is mahapranaha. Tato yuddha parishrantam samare chintaya sthitam ravananchagrato drishtva yuddhaya samupasthitam. Daivataischa samagamya drashtumabhyagatoranam upagamyabrvidramamagastyo bhagavan rishihi. Daivataihi, visarga changes to shu there, cha. Daivataischa because of sandhi. Samagamya drashtum abhyagataha, bhas mahapranaha. Drashtum abhyagataha. Now abhyagataha changes to abhyagato because of sandhi. So the phrase becomes drashtum abhyagato ranam. Upagamya abravit. Upagamya abravit because of sandhi. Abravit, the tu changes to the because of sandhi. Ramam. So abravid ramam. Upagamya abravid ramam because of sandhi. Agastyaha is a compound word. It becomes Agastyo because of sandhi. Bhagavan, bhas mahapranaha, rishihi. Bhagavan rishihi. Daivataischa samagamya drashtumabhyagato ranam upagamya bravidramamagastyo bhagavan rishihi. Rama, Rama, Mahabaho, Shrinuguhyam, Sanatanam, Yena, Sarvanarin, Vatsa, Samare, Vijayishyasi. Rama, Rama, Mahabaho is a compound word. Shrinu, Guhyam, Sanatanam, Yena, Sarvan, Arin, Sarvanarin, Vatsa, Samare Vijayishyasi. Rama Rama Mahabaho Shrinuguhyam Sanatanam Yena Sarvanarin Vatsa Samare Vijayishyasi. Aditya Hridayam Punyam Sarvashatru Vinashanam Jayavaham Japennityam Akshayam Paramam Shivam. Aditya Hridayam is a compound word. Punyam Sarvashatru Vinashanam is a compound word. Jaya Avaham. Jayavaham is a compound word. Japet, the th changes to n because of sandhi. Nityam. Japen Nityam because of sandhi. Akshayam. Now Nityam ends in M and Akshayam starts with A. So these two join together to form Ma. So Japen Nityam Akshayam Paramam Shivam. Aditya Hridayam Punyam Sarvashatru Vinashanam जयावहं जपेन्नित्यमक्षय्यं परमं शिवम् सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनमायुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम् सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं is a compound word. Sarvapapapranashanam is a compound word. Chintashokaprashamanam is a compound word. Ayurvardhanam, dha is Mahapranaha and this is a compound word. Chintashokaprashamanam ends in M and Ayurvardhanam begins with A. So it becomes Chintashokaprashamanam Ayurvardhanam Uttamam. आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम् सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनमायुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम्